With today's global internet marketplace, there is no reason to reduce your selection for an internet marketing company to your local business owners. Today's technology, such as web conferencing, opens up your possibilities to work with an internet marketing expert from anywhere. This opens the doors to hiring the best internet marketing expert that will help you achieve the highest return on your investment. You see, the key to today's fast-paced internet technology requires your internet presence to reach way beyond your website. You must have an integrated internet marketing strategy that includes places like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Mix, MySpace, Blogger, Bebo, FriendFeed, Technorati, StumbleUpon, and many more websites where your SEO content, videos, and podcasts need to appear and be found. To win the race online and to set your website on fire, you need a diverse internet marketing traffic development strategy that, quite frankly, not many internet marketing firms understand or know how to put together. Many so-called experts are flocking to this field due to the need, but you do not want to hire just anyone to handle your online needs. You need a team of experts that can help you achieve your business goals and allow you to spend more time doing this, or going to places like this. Here at drnet.com LLC, we can prescribe an internet marketing strategy that includes all the latest cutting-edge strategies that a professional, experienced internet marketing team can bring you. Contact DrNet today at 888-281-3611 or simply go to drnet.com and click on Contact Us. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you to put more of this in your pocket.